Trading doesn't hurt because you're bad at it. It hurts because it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. If trading feels stressful, confusing, or mentally exhausting, that doesn't mean you're failing. It means you've entered the real phase. Because no one warns you about this part. The part where you know what to do, but your emotions don't let you do it. That gap, that's where most traders break. And here's the truth most people avoid. Pain in trading isn't a sign you should stop. It's the price of becoming consistent. If that made you uncomfortable, good. Because discomfort is the doorway most traders never walk through. When I first started trading, I thought losing meant I was doing something wrong. Every loss felt personal. Every drawdown felt like proof I wasn't built for this. So I did what most people do. I changed strategies. I changed time frames. I looked for something easier. But nothing changed. Because the problem wasn't the market. It was how I reacted to uncertainty. The market creates pain on purpose, to expose fear, to test discipline, to reveal ego. Pain in trading does three things. 1, it destroys ego. 2, it forces patience. 3, it shows you who you really are under pressure. And if you avoid pain, you avoid growth. So here's what changed everything. I stopped asking if I won or lost, and I started asking if I followed my rules. Losses became feedback. Emotions became data. Here's the difference between beginners and professionals. Beginners avoid discomfort. Professionals expect it. Beginners need to feel right. Professionals need to be consistent. At some point, you stop trying to be a winning trader and you become a disciplined one. That pain you feel right now, that frustration, that's not a sign to quit. That's the sign you're leveling up. If this hit you, comment discipline below. And if you want more real trading psychology, subscribe.